Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here. Let's get you another original. This is the Independent Wreath knot. Let's get started. This is at the left side as usual, at the belt line. Come in, I'm just going to put in a dimple, bring it over to the center, come around like this, and I'm going to do one more loop around to create a kind of a mini cylinder, and then I'm going to come up and over like that. Do a wreath. I'm going to come over like this, and then I'm going to come around. Then I'm going to do a wreath here. Then I'm going to come across what I just did. And then I'm going to come back around. And I'm going to do another wreath right above the other one I just did. So it's kind of like a cylinder, but not quite. Let me twist that around. Then I'm going to come back with what I have remaining, and I'm going to just fold it in half, and then I'm just going to come back across the top like so, and there you have the Independent Wreath. Let me put my collar down. Again, you guys know to find me on Instagram at Simmonsessentials to see the photo for this. I'm just going to put this up and tuck it in there. And then here you have the Independent Wreath. On your own style, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. See you in the next video.